Good morning, dear students. In my last video, we have studied about verbs. Its definition, we have studied about auxiliary and main verb. Apart from this, we have studied about transitive and intransitive verb. Here once again, I am telling you how can we find either a verb is transitive or intransitive. If a sentence has given to us, simply ask a question what from the verb of that sentence. If we get the answer, it means the verb is transitive, otherwise it is intransitive. Suppose a sentence is, he has broken the chair. Now ask the question, what has he broken? The answer will get, chair. It means here the verb is transitive. See one more example. It was raining outside. Again ask the question, what from the verb. This time we are not able to find any answer. It means here the verb is intransitive. Now we'll solve the exercise number C. Complete the paragraph by filling in the blanks with transitive or intransitive verbs. Now look at it. Mrs. Cyril is an old lady who, after who, lives we have to write. Mrs. Cyril is an old lady who lives in a large cottage near the countryside. Every morning she, after she we can write here gets up or wakes up. She gets up early and makes we can write here makes a hot cup of tea, or we can write here prepares also, and prepares a hot cup of tea for herself. She then, after then, sits we can write here. She then sits on her armchair kept in the garden. Mrs. Cyril is fond of. After fond of we can write here chirping. There can be more words also. Chirping birds, and even after even feeds we can write here. Feeds them at times. The birds, after birds we can write here chirp. Chirp is the sound of the bird. The birds chirp merrily when she is around. Her dog Coco. After Coco we can write here plays. Her dog Coco plays in the garden. Sometimes he. The hens. After he we can write chases here. Sometimes he means dog chases the hens near the shed. Mrs. Cyril. After Cyril we can write here leads. Mrs. Cyril leads a happy life. She. After she enjoys we can write here. She enjoys everything that she surrounds herself with. Now we'll see the formation of verbs. If an adjective has given to us, then by adding suffix or prefix in it, we can convert that adjective into verb. Example you can see here on the slide. The word large is an adjective. Enlarge is its verb. Able, enable. Able is an adjective. Enable is a verb. Fresh, refresh. Fresh is an adjective. Refresh, verb. Same like modern, modernize. Thick and thicken. Same like adjective, some nouns can also be converted into verb by adding suffix or prefix. Example you can see here on the slide. Friend, befriend. Friend is a noun. Befriend is an verb. Fool, befool. Fool is a noun. Befool is a verb. Beauty, beautify. Beauty is a noun. Beautify is a verb. Peace, pacify, and class, classify. Pacify, classify, both are the verbs. In this slide, you will see some prefixes and suffixes which we use while converting a word into verb. At first, we will see prefixes. I have made a box here in the first row. You can see prefixes be and en. By adding these prefixes, we can convert a word into verb. Some words I have written in second row like head, little, courage, circle, etc. In the third row, I have written the verb framed by adding these prefixes. Like the verb of word head is behead, little is belittle. Same like the verb of word courage is encourage, circle is encircle, etc. Same like prefixes, there are some suffixes also which we use while converting a word into verb. You can see here in the first row, I have written some suffixes like ise, en, fy. In the second row, I have written words like apology, equal, bright, dark, dignity, glory, etc. And in the third row, I have written the verbs. Like the verb of word apology is apologize, equal is equalize, bright is brighten, dark is darken, dignity is dignify, etc. The given rules do not apply for some specific words. The verb form of these words you have to learn by yourself. Like the verb of word company is accompany, blood is bleed, sale is sell, etc. The list of some words I have given you in this slide, you can see it. Now we'll solve the exercise number D. Filling the blanks with the verb forms of the words given in the brackets. Now see the answer one by one. 1 to 5 I'll solve for yourself. Question number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 you have tried by yourself. If you are not able to solve the questions, you can see the PDF. Now let's start. Come on the question number first. You will, Malni if you call. Here fright we have tried in a verb form. Fright, frighten we have tried. En we have to add in the fright, it will be a verb. You will frighten Malini if you call her at the dead of night. Now see the second one. All her classmates were eager to friend. The verb form of friend is befriend. Befriend we have tried here, that is the answer. All her classmates were eager to befriend the new student on the very first day of her school. Now see the third one. In ancient times, the court poets were employed to glorify we have tried. Glorify is the verb form of this word glory. Employed to glorify the achievements of their emperors in their written work. Now see the fourth one. Maya should specialize is the verb form of this word special. Maya should specialize in British poetry if she wants to teach in a college. Now see the fifth one. They will criticize is the word form of word critic. So here criticize we have tried. They will criticize Ananya's last movie because of the lack of a story line. Now question number 6 to 10 you have tried by yourself. Now we'll try to understand a very important topic, that is subject verb agreement. Now question rises, what is subject verb agreement? As I have written here, it's about the SS and PP. We can say it's SS and PP rule also. It shows that if our subject is singular, then whatever the verb we have to use, it should also be singular. Singular subject, singular verb we have to use. And if our subject is plural, then plural helping verb we have to use. That is the rule of SS and PP. You can see the example. The first example is he eats food. Because he is a singular subject, that's why whatever the verb we have used here, eats, that is also singular. He eats food. Now see the second example. We eat food. Here we is the subject, that is plural, and that's why plural helping verb we have used here. Eat only, that is not eats. We eat food. So whatever the helping verb or main verb we have to use in the sentence, it totally depends on the subject. Singular subject, singular verb. Plural subject, plural verb. Now we'll see the rules for subject verb agreement. See the first rule. Noun, pronoun, and noun and pronoun. If two nouns and pronouns are joined by and, then in that case, plural helping verb we have to use in that sentence. Example you can see here. He and his friend. He is a subject which is singular. His friend, that is also subject, both are joined by and that's why are we have used here, that is a plural verb. Are very intelligent. You can see one more example. Priya and Harshita are my best friends. Priya and Harshita both are nouns joined by and that's why I have used here are helping verb, that is plural. Are my best friends. See the rule number second. When two noun or pronouns are joined by or nor, in that case singular helping verb we have to use. Examples you can see here. He or his friend. He is a subject, his friend is also a subject, both are joined by or, and that's why is I have used here, that is a singular helping verb. Is the winner. You can see one more example. He nor his friend. He, his friend, both are joined by nor, and that's why is, which is singular helping verb, I have used here. Is the winner. Now see the rule number third. It says that if any sentence start with each one, every, everyone, someone, somebody, nobody, either, neither, etc., then at that case singular helping verb we have to use in that sentence. Example you can see here. Each boy is my friend. The sentence starting with the each, and that's why singular helping verb is I have used here. You can see the second example also. B. Someone has to do this work. The sentence starting with the someone, and that's why singular helping verb has I have used here. Now see the rule number 4. Things having two parts. Scissors, tweezers, shears, tongs, trousers, jeans, etc. Whenever a sentence start with all these words, scissors, tweezers, shears, tongs, trousers, etc., that in that case in a sentence plural helping verb we have to use this rule is very important. Examples you can see here. My trousers. My trousers is a plural subject, and that's why are I have used here. My trousers are very cheap. The second example you can see here. This scissor. Scissors again a plural subject, and that's why are I have used here. The scissors are quite sharp. Now see the rule number 5. When a sentence starts with a collective noun, then most of the cases we have to use singular verb with the collective noun. Example you can see here. The cricket team has arrived. Cricket team, that is a collective noun, team, and that's why has helping verb I have used here. The cricket team has arrived. You can see the second example also. B. The jury has given its verdict. The jury is a collective noun, and that's why has, which is singular helping verb I have used here. The jury has given its verdict. Now see the rule number 6. If again in a sentence there are two subjects and the both are joined by, as well as, with, along with, etc., then whatever the verb we have to use here in a sentence, it should be according to first subject. Again I am telling you, when two subjects are joined by, as well as, with, along with, then whatever the helping verb we have to use in that sentence, it should be according to first subject. Example you can see here. He along with his friend. Here he is the first subject, friends second subject. So whatever the helping verb we have to use here, we have to use according to first subject, that is he, and that's why is I have used here. He along with his friends is coming. You can see the second example. He as well as I is the monitor. He is subject, I is also subject, but whatever the helping verb I have used here, I have used according to first subject, that is he. He as well as I is the monitor. Now see the rule number 7. Plural noun, single unit like name of books, movies. When a sentence starts with a subject which seems like a plural, but actually that is a one unit. It can be the name of any book or the movie, etc. Then a singular helping verb we have to use in that sentence, because that word seems like plural, but that is a one unit, single unit. Example can be Arabian Nights is my favorite book. Arabian Nights seems like a plural, but Arabian Nights is a book, and that's why singular helping verb we have to use here. That's why I have used here is Arabian Nights is my favorite book. This slide is about subject verb agreement. The rules which are mentioned here we have already studied in our previous slides. Though you can go through it, read all the rules one by one. I hope you will understand each rule easily. Now we'll solve the exercise number E. Complete the sentences by choosing the appropriate verbs from the brackets. Now see the sentences one by one. See the first. Neither of the girls is are. There are two options, one we have to choose. Just try to remember the rules. I have already told you that whenever sentence start with either, neither, each, every, etc., then the sentence singular helping verb we have to use. Here the answer will be is. Neither of the girls is my sister. See the sentence number 2. Arabian Nights are my favorite book. Arabian Nights seems like plural, but actually it is the name of a book, and that's why it is single unit. And because this single unit, it means this singular subject, and that's why singular helping verb we have to use here. Arabian Nights is my favorite book. Is we have to choose here. Is will be the answer. Now see the third one. Maya and Mary are great friends. When two nouns or pronouns are joined by and, then plural helping verb we have to use. Maya and Mary both are the nouns joined by and that's why plural helping verb are we have to use here. The answer will be are. Maya and Mary are great friends. Now see the fourth one. The box with its contents was were. Again just try to recall the rule. When two nouns or pronouns are joined by with, as well as, along with, then whatever the helping verb we have to use according to first subject. Here the first subject is the box, which is singular, and that's why singular helping verb we have to use here, that is was. Here the answer will be the box with its contents was stolen. Now see the fifth one. Look, there is are a pride of lions. Again recall the rules about the collective noun. With the collective noun, singular helping verb we have to use. Here a pride of lions is a collective noun, and that's why singular helping verb we have to use, that is. Look, there is a pride of lions near the lake. Now the sentence number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 you have to try by yourself. If you are not able to solve the sentences, you can check the PDF. Now we'll solve the exercise number F. Complete the sentences by choosing the correct option from the brackets. Now see the sentences one by one. There are is several reasons. Helping verb we have to use according to several reasons. Several reasons is a plural subject. That's why are we have tried here. There are several reasons why we should join the school. Now see the second one. Hari and Vinay, who run runs small restaurant. Hari and Vinay both are singular subject joined by and that's why this is a plural subject. Helping verb according to plural subject we have to use. The answer will be run. Hari and Vinay, who run a small restaurant in town, have decided to expand their business. Now see the third one. Both the vases on the shelf. Both the vases again that is a plural subject. Plural helping verb we have to use here. Are broken. Both the vases on the shelf are broken. Now see the fourth one. The fishing boat that had been struggling in the storm of 3 days was were. The helping verb we have to use according to fishing boat, that is the main subject, and fishing boat is a singular subject. That's why was we have to use here. The fishing boat that had been struggling in the storm for 3 days was finally spotted coming towards the shore. Now see the fifth one. The hen along with her chicks always. Again just try to recall the rules. Whenever two nouns or pronouns are joined by along with etc., then whatever the helping verb we have to write or verb we have to use according to subject. Here the main subject is hen, singular. That's why manages we have to write here. The hen along with her chicks always manages to escape from the fox. Now again sentence number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 you have to try by yourself. If you are not able to try the sentences, you can check my PDF. Thank you.